Sunita here for Vastram. Today we are with nice cotton sarees from Banaras. These are budget friendly collections. We'll be uploading it on YouTube. I have another request which I daily ask you. Do subscribe our YouTube channel and click the bell icon, and also share and like the videos that you are watching. I'll be of a great help for us as well as you, because you get to see all the videos in the first hand. Now, describing about these sarees today, it will be 5 different sarees that I'm going to show you. All are very pretty collections, very budget friendly. They are in the cost of 3,600 range, and they have nice borders. All that will be very precisely given. Direction, colors, everything will be given to you on the video. Let's walk into the video now to make you enjoy the show. So here come this beautiful Banarasi cotton saree with nice parrot green mix meenakari works all throughout the border, throughout the body. Double-sided border saree, very abstract designs given, no figure works given, rich zari woven, antique zari woven pallu. The whole set of 5 sarees will have brocade blouse in pink color. So we're not going to explain you time and again for all the sarees about the blouse. The same blouse pink combination will be given for all the sarees. This is 3,600 price. Pretty collection. Let me hover this tripod for you to get a beautiful close-up view of how pretty these sarees are looking. Now next saree number 2. This is 3,600. You can buy by clicking the link, or you can message us on WhatsApp of the given number, or you can do an account transfer. This is saree number 2, a much more comparatively lighter green. Let me show it very close for you. That's the border blouse. That's the blouse and the entire. That's all. That's double-sided border, equi size. Both sides the border is of the same height and size. Okay, so that's the saree for you. Saree number 2, 3,600. A color much more pastel in green. Now comes saree number 3, which is orangish dual tone pink, kind of a fire pink we can call this. It's got meenakari buttas woven all throughout. The highlight, okay, that's the blouse for the saree. The highlight is the buttas. They have floral bouquet like designs with multicolor, and the price is also very happy budget friendly collection. So this is saree number 3. Okay, now let's go for saree number 4. Saree number 4 is a blackish green and ash, you might call, a very pretty color combination. The antique zari border gives a beautiful highlight along with the meenakari work done on the bouquets all throughout buttas. The antique zari pallu is very important over here, and the blouse is this brocade. So that is the saree number 4. So that's saree number 4 for you. Let's go in for the last saree of the day. Orangish pink, orange mix, a beige or orange mix saree with a pink border, and the buttas are highlighted like this. A pretty collection. I love all the 5 because not only for the pricing but also for the workmanship, the color combination, the beauty, everything is perfect about this collection. You will definitely enjoy because very smooth, happy, and the blouse is also there. Look at the back side of this weaving. It's very cleanly finished back, so it's not going to disturb your skin or the ornaments that you carry. So that's the beautiful set of Banarasi sarees that we are cotton sarees with double-sided pretty antique zari woven border. Links will be provided. You can buy them through the links, or you can also buy them by messaging us on the WhatsApp number given 7975097066. 5 different pretty colors. 5 different pretty colors and very well finished sarees these are. We can hold a saree for half an hour if you're going to block them offline. After that, I'm extremely sorry, we will not be able to block the saree because others are waiting in queue. After that, it will be given to the next person who are booking the saree. Happy shopping. Will be coming up with more interesting collections for you to enjoy shopping with Vastram Silk. And again, a beautiful request, do subscribe our YouTube channel and like and share the video. Bye.